In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Let's do a couple more space jokes to start us off. What do planets like to read? Comet books. Get it? Comet books. All right, let's do another one. Why don't aliens eat clowns? Because they taste funny. Okay, last one. Why did the cow go to outer space? Anybody? To visit the Milky Way. Get it? Cow's milk, Milky Way. All right, let's do one more charades. I hope you got to play some charades at home. If you didn't, charades is a great game to play with your family. I'm going to do 2 more charades for you. All right, let's see if you can guess this one. Yeah, a flag. That was my flag. I'm so proud to put flag onto my planet that I just found. Good job. All right, let's do one more. This one's going to be a little bit trickier. I'm going to make myself into something. Here we go. What do you think? Yes, a rocket ship, a spaceship. Very good.